In this video, I will show you how to use your PC's internet on your mobile phone using a hotspot. To begin, locate the Windows icon on your taskbar at the bottom center of your screen. Right-click on this icon to open a menu. Next, click on Settings. This will take you into the Settings menu where various options are available. On the left side, find and click on Network and Internet. Now, look over to the right side where you'll see several options. Click on Mobile Hotspot. Here, you will see a toggle switch next to Mobile Hotspot. Click it to turn it on. Congratulations, the mobile hotspot is now enabled. Scroll down slightly until you reach the section labeled Properties. In this area, you can view important details such as your hotspot name, password, band type, and even a QR code that can be scanned for easy access. If you'd like to customize these properties, perhaps change your network name or password, click on the Edit button. This will allow you to modify your network name, set a new password, or adjust the network band according to your preferences. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to hit Save. Now that your PC is ready as a hotspot, let's move over to your mobile phone. Start by swiping down from the top of your screen. Tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your display to access settings. Once inside Settings, look for an option labeled Connections and tap it. From there, select Wi-Fi. Your phone will automatically scan for available networks nearby. When you see your PC or laptop's hotspot appear in the list of available networks, tap on it. Now enter the password that was displayed earlier in your PC's hotspot properties. After typing it in correctly, tap Connect. And just like that, you've successfully connected your mobile device to use internet shared from your PC. For an even quicker connection method, remember that you can also scan the QR code shown in your laptop or PC's mobile hotspot settings instead of entering passwords manually. Once you're done using internet sharing through this method and want to turn off sharing, simply return back to those same settings we used earlier and toggle off that switch next to mobile hotspot. This will deactivate sharing instantly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to use your PC's internet connection wirelessly via a mobile hotspot. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.